And there goes the top of Southern Star. You can see they've got some stuff going on out here, so let's get ready to go on some more deconstruction adventures that rock. Now this is interesting. These construction walls were not here on day one, and this is actually to the left of Chick-fil-A towards Afterburn. And I love how they actually have signs up now, kind of giving a tease to possibly what's to come from all the construction that they're doing towards the new season for 2023. Just to give you a general idea, it all seems to be focused around that tree, but really not sure about these construction walls here. Just to give me an idea on where it is for its placement. Construction day 3 out here at Carowinds. It's hot out here, and we didn't think we'd have a lot to show you, but check this out. So let's go walk down and see what's going on with Southern Star. Earlier, we showed you one small piece of Southern Star. You are not gonna believe the next piece of Southern Star that got removed. Check this out. Yes, you are seeing the complete top now being removed. Wow. Of Southern Star being laid to rest. So the yo-yo update, not much happening on day 3, just that the seats have actually been loaded up on a flatbed trailer, but not much action happening over here. Looks like all the work's being done over at Southern Star's removal. One update, if you compare it from just 2 days ago on day 1, the Mario looking game booth completely gone. Look at that. And bumper cars are still being moved out. And while here, might as well get a shot of the freshly dipped candy apples while at it. But you know, that flash sale pop-up booth for Plants vs. Zombie merch is still here, but not for long, I'm not thinking. So if you want to hurry up and grab some stuff, because they still have great deals for t-shirts. I mean, 3 shirts for 20 bucks, 4 shirts for 25. You definitely want to hurry up and get here, because I don't think this thing's gonna be here for much longer. And like I said, it's right next to Chick-fil-A. However, Carowinds, tell me, what is gonna happen to these signs? Because I definitely know someone, cough cough, like me, that would love to have one. To give you an idea, they still have the I Chose Zombie shirts. They have the crazy hot sauce shirts. So they still have some pretty cool shirts to choose from out here. Before I leave, I want to show you what has opened up inside Camp Snoopy. Over here in Camp Snoopy, just wanted to show you, Rita's is open. If you want your ice custard, your happiness, your brownie sundaes, your custard with hot fudge, and your sprinkled cake cones, this is the place to come. If you enjoyed that brief look on what's to come or what's being taken down on construction out there at Country Crossroads. You're going to be able to catch some more, so it is a good reason to hit that like and subscribe, because you never know where we're going to end up next and definitely what we're going to be able to show you next. And why am I filming this in front of Snoopy and the Red Baron and all these airplanes? It's definitely not because of Snoopy and the Red Baron, if you catch my drift. If you know the reason, put it in the comments down below. As we always say, make each and every day, including those with a lot of flight, an adventure that rocks. Looking for more fun photos and maybe little mini videos that we didn't include in this video you're watching now?
Be sure to check out our TikTok, our Instagram, and our Facebook pages.
And we're gonna put those links also in the description down below.